Good morning, ninth class children. Ninth class children, we are doing factorization chapter on algebraic formulae. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, and there are so many 12 problems, 12 formulae, main formulae. On this formula only we are doing problems, factorizations. Now, in previous class we completed 4E. Now next exercise F. Factorize. See, factorizations. These are important. Easy also. Factorize of trinomials on this base. So we know on this formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to, we know the formula, x squared and sum of the constants a plus b of x plus a into b. On this formula we have to do these problems, splitting the middle term into sum. Then sum here product. Suppose one trinomial is given. Here x squared plus 5x plus 6. We have to split the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term as sum will be 5 and product will be 6. We know by seeing this middle term is 5. This is the sum of the two numbers and last number is the product of the numbers, two numbers. We can say easily by seeing this sum is 5, product is 6. The possible numbers are 3 2s are 5. 5 equal to 3 2s are sum. Product plus both are plus like this. 3 comma 3 plus is 5, 3 plus 2 and sum is 6. Product is 6. 6 product 3 into 2. Like this. 3 into 2. 3 2s. So split the 5x like this. X squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. This is splitting the middle term. We are writing 5x as 3x plus 2x. Now take factors. X taking common x plus 3 and taking 2 common x plus 3. So again x plus 3 common, x plus 3 into x plus 2 are the factors of given trinomial. This is the formula. We are splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term into sum and product. Should start. So there are some problems. Second, so it is x squared and the exercise problem a squared plus 5a, m squared plus m variables. Variables will change. Sometimes in x, sometimes in a, sometimes in b, sometimes in m, in p, in sometimes k also. So different we are given in k also, y also, like that. Now second question, a square plus 6a plus 8. Splitting the term 6. Sum is 6 here. Product is 8. So we know 4 2s are 8. Both are plus. Both are plus. Split the 6 here like this. So a squared plus 4a plus 2a plus 8. Taking a common. A plus 4. Taking 2 common. A plus 4. Again a plus 4 taking common. A plus 4 into a plus 2 are the factors. Like this. Third, p squared plus 10p plus 16. So 10 is there, product is 16. 8 2s are 4 4s are also 16, but 4 plus 4 is 8 only sum. But there is 10. So immediately you have write here 8 into 2, 16 it becomes, both are plus. So split the middle term, p squared plus 8p plus 2p plus 16. This 10p is written as like this. And here 6a is written as, here 5a is written as 3x and 2x. Split the middle term to satisfy sum and the product. Now take p common here, 8 plus p plus 8. We are taking 2 common, p plus 8. Again p plus 8 taking common, we get here p. Here 2 remaining terms. Remaining terms. Here a remaining, here 2 remaining. Here x remaining, here 2 remaining. X plus 2. So like that you have to think. Fourth, p squared a squared plus 13a plus 42. 42, by seeing 42 we can say easily 7 6 are 42, 7 plus 6 30. So it is satisfying 7 6 are, both are all are plus, no, right, plus 1 plus plus. So split it, a squared plus 7a plus 6a plus 42. 13a is written as 7a and 6a. We are splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term as now. Right, we are taking a common, a plus 7. Taking 6 common, a plus 7. A plus 7 common, a plus 7 into, here a is left, here 6 is left. A plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is left. So like that. Fifth, a squared plus 25a plus minus 54 given. Minus product is minus 54. Easy. 25, 27 twos are. This is nothing but 27 twos are. 27 is the plus and 2 is minus. Product is minus 54. Sum is plus 25 because here plus is there, plus 25 plus 27 minus 2 plus 25. So split the middle term like this. So a squared plus 27a minus 2a minus 54. Taking a common, a plus 27 into minus 2 taking common, a plus 27. A plus 27 again common. A plus 27 into, here a is left, here 2 is left. A minus 2 are the factors. Like this. Immediately we can say you have to split the middle term as two numbers to satisfy sum and product. Now, sixth, x squared plus 5x minus 176. 176 can be written as 16 11. 176. So let us arrange. This is monic quadratic equations. Monic means here 1. You divide this by 4. 4 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 11s are. Again 4 11s are 4 16s are. Here plus 5 is there. Plus 5 is there here. So plus big number plus small number minus. Product is minus 176. So like this is the short form. Divide. I am dividing by 4 first. 4 4s are 4 4s. The same 4 is multiplied here. We are not doing. Again multiply, divide by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are. The same 4 is multiplied here. 16 to 11 we are getting and we are satisfying 11. 16 plus 16 minus 11. So we are getting plus 5. So split the middle term like this. Now x squared plus 16x minus 11x minus 176. We are splitting 5 as like this. 5. Take x common here. Here 11 common. X taking common, x plus 16 and minus 11 common. X plus 16. X plus 16, x plus 16 common. And here remaining is x, here remaining is 11. So x minus 11. These are the factors. So like that you have to do. Now 7 to y squared minus 18y plus 65. Split the middle term and product is plus 65 minus in the middle. So we can easily say 13 5s are 65 and both are minus. Minus 13 minus 5 minus 18. So immediately you have to write y squared minus 13y minus 5y plus 65 plus 65. So split this into two parts. Split 18 like this. Now here this is. Now take y common here. Taking y common, y minus 13 minus 5 taking common, y minus 13. And these are again common, y minus 13 into, here y is left, here 5 is left. So y minus 5. These are the factors. A m squared minus 29m plus 204. So 204 is a big number. We have to factorize. How to factorize? 204 into 1. Here 1 is there. Divided by 5. 4 5s are 4. 4 5s are 4 1s are 4. We are not getting. And if you divide this by 3, 3 17s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 3 4s are 12. 17 12 both are minus we can add. So like this, you split middle term like this. Now write m squared and minus 17m minus 12m plus 204, and we are splitting these two numbers like this. Now take m common here, 12 common here, m taking common m minus 17 and minus 12 taking common m minus 17. Again m minus 17 both are same common, and here is remaining m minus 12, m minus 12 like this. These are the two factors. Like that, one more. 9 m b squared minus 2b minus 48. By seeing the numbers, we can say easily we have to split minus 2b. Product sum is a 2b, product is 48, 8 6 are 48, and here in the middle minus is there. So here minus is the small. Now b squared minus 8b plus 6b minus 48. Take b common, b taking common, b minus 8 plus 6 taking common, b minus 8. b minus 8 common into b plus 6. So these are the factors. 10th one. Tenth one. X squared minus 11x minus 102. 102 you know, 17 6 are 102. We know the numbers, tables. 17 6 are. Here in the middle minus is there. Here minus is there in the middle. So for big number you put minus plus. Now split it. 2b minus 2b as like this. Now here x squared minus 17x plus 6x minus 102. Taking x common, x minus 17 plus 6 taking common, x minus 17. X minus 17 into x plus 6 are the factors. So like this you have to do all problems. You try tomorrow Sunday, no? Please try this. If not, I will continue tomorrow. Thank you. They are interesting. First of all, you should know the tables. Products. The middle term is sum. Last term is product. Sum and product. Sum here in the middle. Product last. Let us choose two numbers such that sum will satisfy the middle, product last is product. If the numbers are satisfied, you split the middle terms like that. So very interesting problems. You please follow.